with my friend. What's your name?
Violet.
Violet. What are we doing today? Oh, you have Cheetos. Why didn't you tell me you had Cheeto dust all over your face?
That's why we have wipes.
That's why we have wipes?
Uh-huh.
In case someone has Cheeto all over them?
Uh-huh. In case someone has a mess.
In case someone has a mess. All right, so what are we doing today, my friend?
We're having a makeover.
We're gonna have a makeover.
So let's get started.
What are you gonna use first?
I'm gonna use this first.
It's a heart blush.
It's hard blush.
Mm-hmm.
And you know what's inside?
What? Ooh, blush.
Carrot. Look, oh.
There you go.
Carrots. It does make mess, kid.
You just made a mess, kids? I really want you to do my makeup. Do you think you could do my makeup? So the first, you know what the first step is in makeup? Is foundation. This is the first step. So I want you to take that and this brush and put it on. You want me to help you? Oh, you got it. Can you do a little bit more than that? Here, I'll help you put a little bit more. You gotta put it all over my face.
Oh, you're gonna look so cool.
Yeah?
Almost done. A little on your nose.
Thank you.
Sorry for I turned on your eyes.
Oh, you put it on my eyebrow? That's okay.
A little bit more. Okay, that's... Oh, I put a little bit on your hair. A little bit on your hair.
It's okay. What's this called?
It's for you to do makeup.
It is for me to do makeup, so we're gonna get it wet. I'm gonna squeeze in a little bit of this water, and then you're gonna blend all of this makeup into my face. Can you do that?
Blending all of your makeup into your face. I spread it in there all over.
Mm-hmm.
Actually, got a little bit on your ear.
Oh.
What's the next step?
You didn't blend it in my nose.
Oh, I dropped it. Okay.
Is it all blended in?
Yep.
You don't see any marks?
No.
So the next step is to do your eyes. So I have a really special eyeshadow palette for you. This one. You ready to see the colors?
Yeah, I know those colors. Wow.
What colors are we gonna use today?
This one.
Which one? This one?
Yeah.
Yeah.
The darker.
The darker one. So sometimes when you're doing darker eyeshadow, you want to use a lighter one first so you can blend that one. So do you want to use a lighter one first?
Uh-huh.
Okay, what one do you want to use first that's a lighter color first?
That one.
This one?
Uh-huh.
You want to use these two? Oh no.
Well, Mom, I don't want eyeshadows on mine.
Okay.
No, this one. This one now. No, don't open your eyes.
Oh, I'm sorry.
I know, done yet. No, stop it.
Sorry.
A little bit more. Okay, you're all done.
Oh, are you going to use any other colors? What color are you using now?
Teal.
Oh, teal. Okay.
It's just like the teal color.
It's just like a teal color.
On the top, I'm going to use this one.
Okay. You're being so gentle. That's really a good thing to do when you're doing a makeover.
Do you want a lot of colors?
Sure.
Okay.
Whatever's gonna make me look awesome. Oh my gosh, you just mixed 5, 6, 7, 8 colors. Ah! You're gonna mix all the colors?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh. Oh, Vi, that's a lot. Ah! 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 That's so many!
I get why.
You know what happens if you mix too many colors?
What?
It turns brown.
I like brown. I like get brown eyebrows. I'm all done with this one.
Okay. So
No, I want this one now.
you want that one? Okay, you want to show the video what that one looks like?
Yeah. Look at this one. Looks like it looks like a super fan mermaid.
So you know what that brush is for? Highlighter. So something like this. See this color? See how shiny it is?
Can I try?
Yep, put it in there. Oh yeah, you're going in.
Ooh, it looks like it. Oh, I'm gonna get a little bit more.
Oh, okay. That's always a good idea. Yes.
I'm gonna put a little bit on your nose.
Perfect. That's really popular right now.
That's for your nose.
Yeah, people really like to put a lot on their nose.
Yeah.
like all of it on your nose.
Okay.
You want your nose to look like the shiniest nose ever. That's it?
Yeah.
That doesn't seem like a lot. What's next? Blush? You can use this type of one. And you know how you know where you put the blush?
What?
When you smile, look, smile. See how this right here? Cheek, cheek. That's where you put the blush.
Okay. It looks like pink.
It does look like pink, so where does it go? Perfect.
Now?
You know what else you have to do?
What?
There's this thing called contour. So what that means is you put a darker color right here. If you make a fishy face, do you know how to make a fishy face?
Yeah.
Put it right here where your face sucks in. Put it right here.
Okay.
Go ahead.
Oh, but okay. Now there's side. I'll do a lot on this one. Okay. Now the lid back on.
The lid back on, yep. Okay, so what's the last step? I'll give you a clue.
What? What?
Lips.
Where's the lip?
You want to use one of these?
Can I use
Oh, uh-oh.
Can I use pink?
Pink, sure.
I like pink.
You do?
Oh, I actually got some on his hand.
I got some on my teeth. Look at my teeth. That's all.
Stop it. I'm trying to put lips on you. A little bit more.
More?
Uh-huh.
Okay.
A little bit more. Okay. Now can you give me a kiss? No. Nah. I don't need a kiss. Okay, you look amazing.
Thank you. Oh, I look beautiful.
Now you're trying to make me.
You love lips, right? Lips is your favorite?
Yeah.
How about red lips?
Yeah.
Red lips? Okay. Can I stop moving? Uh-oh.
On my teeth.
It's on your teeth. Here, look at me so I can stop moving your lips.
I have a funny tooth.
You have a funny tooth. Here, well done, I'm trying to get the rest. I can't see your lips. You look like a crazy person.
I will give you a kiss. I have red with pink. Red with pink.
I do? Let me see. Oh, I see it.
I get golden. I'm golden.
What other makeup do you want to do? You want sparkles?
Yeah. To yours, I forgot to sparkle.
Oh, did you want to add sparkles to mine? Okay.
I want to do it real quick. I want to put your sparkles everywhere.
Okay, put sparkles on me. Oh.
Wow, sparkles. You're getting sparkles.
Oh my gosh, it's beautiful.
I feel real quick. Feels like starry.
It feels like what?
Starry.
Stirry?
Uh-huh. It's like glitter, and you have glitter on your hands. I have to get more on this one. And on the other side. No.
On my nose. Thank you.
Tumblr sparkles on me.
Okay, I'm going to do different color sparkles.
Rainbow sparkles.
It's like a mermaid.
I think real quick. I'm a mermaid. That's a funny word.
What's a funny word? Mermaid? Look at how cool it looks.
Ooh, fancy.
I think we are all done.
Yeah.
Thank you for my makeover.
Yeah.
Do you like your makeover?
And I want to look in the mirror now. He had a fun video, kids. Bye. On one hand.
Oh.
Abracadabra salute.
Salute?
Uh-huh.
Who says salute?
We do.
Can I take mine off?
Yeah, I will help you.
Oh, you're going to help me take it off now too? Okay.
I'll do your lips first. The lips away. I want to do like that. I'm going to regular lips now.
Oh, good.
I guess your lips are going to stay on.
Oh, they are? They're not coming off?
No.
Coming off. You going to take the rest of it off?
Going for a back over. Or bigger. Hang on.
Get my nose now.
You have a little bit warm lips on.
Oh.
It's all gone. No gone. I'm going to do your nose now. This goes all the way on your nose. How does this look now? Brilliant?
Brilliant?
Now I have to your eyes.
Okay. Do you see all the sparkles on the background? Right here?
I'm going to try to do that.
Oh, I thought you were going to take my makeup.
I'm going to try this real quick.
Okay.
Make it different colors.
Yep.
And I'm all sparky. Wow, you look so amazing now.
Thank you! Oh, I still got glitter all over me.
I'm going to leave my makeup on for a little bit.
You're going to leave your makeup on for a little bit?
I'm going to leave it on while we're on. Out.
Well, that sounds like a great idea.